I'm gonna bring you in close to unload this box. It's a huge box. So I contacted a barbecue seasoning company called Kosmos Q. It literally, I just want to tell you about this first. It literally is like one of the most used on the internet that I see. It's the most raved about. It's the most everything. And now that I've seen this package, I now know why. So come on in close. I'll show you guys what they sent me. We'll do an unboxing. Some's for chicken and some's for wings. It's sauces and some's for beef, and we'll separate everything out. Okay, ready? All right, here's the first one. I'm gonna line them all up here. We've got cow cover. That is a dry rub. I don't know what cow cover is. I'm guessing it's for beef, of course. So we'll set it right here. And then there is this one, which I'm putting right on top of it. This is cow cover hot. Okay, we'll try that out also. I got beef, I got chicken, I got wings. We're gonna try everything out. Whoops, is it gonna fall on me? Stay right there. Okay, what's this one? Let's see. Okay. All right, let me show you this one first. This is called Honey Killer Bee. I don't know what Honey Killer Bee is, but that's Honey Killer Bee. And then this is, I'll show you, it is Honey Chipotle Killer Bee. Right there, Honey Chipotle Killer Bee. So I guess that's that's the regular and hot version. That's the regular and hot version. That's what I'm seeing. So this one's interesting. This one's really kind of a gray looking one. It's called Prime Steak. That's what it's, is that the name? Yeah. Prime Steak Barbecue Seasoning. That's another good one. This is the one that excites me the most. This is called Garlic Jalapeno. Yeah, something's going on here. All right. And then this one is a beef dry rub called SPG. All right, SPG. You guys aren't going to believe how many they sent. This one is classic steak barbecue rub right there. Classic. All right, this one is a Texas beef dry rub right there. Wow, just keeps going on and on. Sizzling burger. This is just for burgers. Who does that? That's insane. Put that over there. This is Hot Dirty Bird, so I'm guessing oh, there it is. That's Hot Dirty Bird right there. See? Dirty Bird. So I'm guessing it's for chicken. This is just Dirty Bird, the regular one. So that's the hot version. Okay, and this is for beer can chicken. Another chicken seasoning. So we have chicken and beef, and oh, that's awesome. All right, so now let's go to, let me move this over. Whoa. Oh, my cow cover just fell. Hold on a minute. Good. Let's take those down. There we go. All right, you guys ready? Now these sauces are like for wings, okay? Unbelievable. This is like probably my favorite wing sauce, garlic parmesan. We'll put it right there. This one is spicy garlic. This one excites me too. Garlic and spicy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Can you tell I'm excited? All right, this one is classic buffalo sauce. All right, this one should be good. Okay, let's see here. Boy, Frank's Red Hot has really lost ground on the wing sauce stuff. Honey habanero. Sweet heat right there, baby. This one's going to be surprised. I know it. Honey habanero. And then we've got, this is General Tso. Like General Tso chicken, right? That's what this is. This is going to be incredible too. Oh my gosh. These guys are crazy. Look at the amount they put out. That's buffalo hot. That's buffalo sauce and the hot version, okay? So let me get rid of this box. Unbelievable what they sent. Okay guys, this is what they sent the show. There's all your seasonings. There's all your sauces. We're going to try them all. Literally. It's unbelievable how much they sent. Okay guys, so here's the deal. I've got all the steak ones, or all the beef ones, factored out for round one. These are all the ones that are good for beef. The hot, the regulars, all these, the rubs and all that. I got the chicken over there on the counter. I got the puppy over there squeaking the pig. Every time I film, she goes for the pig. I don't know why. And then I got the wing sauce for the wings. So let's start with the, this is the beef round. So let's start with round one, beef. Alright guys, so I got all the flavors in front of me. I got all the samples cooked. They're all good to go. So we're going to start with we're going to start at this end. Because the hot one's at this end. I want to make sure I don't do the hot yet. So this one right here, we're doing classic steak. Just basic classic steak. Classic steak's a little salty, a little peppery. It's just classic steak. Now this SPG, the one is SPG initials, that smelled like, when I put on the steak, it smelled like Montreal steak seasoning. I don't know if it is, but we're going to try it. Take Montreal steak seasoning and add a little salt to it. It's a little bit saltier. It's good. That's good. The classic steak's just okay. The SPG is good. So now we're going to Texas beef. I always get excited when I see Texas in the name. A restaurant, a food product or something, because Texas knows how to do beef. So let's see if this is true, good Texas beef. Here we go. Texas beef, little salty, which a lot of steaks need salt, so I get why each one has salt in it. Little salty, and then a sweetness comes out of the Texas beef. I really like the Texas beef. That was good when I got into it. Not the first bite, but as I chewed and chewed and chewed, the sweetness started coming out. Had to get myself a glass of water, clean the palate. All right, so far, Texas beef is the winner out of all the first three I tried. Here we go. This one's called Sizzling Burger. This is going to be interesting to put it on a steak. You would expect it on a hamburger. Let's try it. It's good. A little peppery. It's got a kind of a barbecue feel to it when you bite into it, like you grilled some burgers on the kettle. It's got that charcoal flavor in it. And there's a little sweetness in that too. So that's good. I still like Texas beef better. Sizzling Burger, it's good. Now prime steak. Prime steak looks like volcanic ash. It's gray, it's dusty, it just looks like ash. It's very fine too. Let's try it. Now I know why they call it prime steak. It tastes like a steakhouse, like a high-end steakhouse. I like prime steak, and Texas beef are tied for me. Prime steak really hit the mark. It's like you paid $50 for the steak. We're going to jump this one because it's the hot version of this one. Okay? So we're going to start with the end here. We're going to do cow cover, then we're going to do hot cow cover, okay? So let's do cow cover. Here we go. That cow cover is really good. Really, and it's got a little bit of heat to it. I don't know what the hot one's going to be like. That was really good. I like cow cover. So let's try cow cover hot. See if I like that one. The weird thing is, I felt more heat in the cow cover than the hot cow cover. Spicy kind of a heat. But that cow cover's good. I'm liking cow cover the best, I think. I'm liking cow cover. I'm liking hot cow cover. I like prime steak and Texas beef also. But cow cover in the beef category is our winner. And congratulations for an amazing line of seasoning and flavors. And whoever put these things together, they got a good palate. So we're going to move this all out and go to round two. And round two is going to be chicken. All right, guys, here we go. It's the second round. Let's start with garlic jalapeno. Right there. That's the first one. You ready? Dun 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 dun. Boy, it's all juicy and drippy. That's some good chicken. Salty, garlicky, and you can feel the pepper coming on. I like. Not as great as I thought it would be, but it's still great. It's all that matters. My opinion don't matter on levels and all that. But that's a good one. You can't go wrong with garlic jalapeno. Now we're doing Dirty Bird. You ready? Dying to know what this one's like. Here we go. Feel salty. Each one has a little bit of saltiness to it, which is good when you're working with meat. And then I'm tasting like a paprika or a smoked paprika in there. Doesn't matter what's in there. That's really good. That's also good. As good as that one. So far, they're all equal. So, the hot Dirty Bird. Are you ready? We're going to go with the hot Dirty Bird. That's weird. I don't feel any heat from the hot Dirty Bird, but I know they're trying to appeal. You got to be careful when you're selling products and you do hot. Got to appeal to the masses. I don't feel a heat difference at all between Dirty Bird and hot Dirty Bird. So, I don't know if one's cheaper than the other. I go with the cheaper one. But there is a little extra sweetness that I'm catching on the hot Dirty Bird. Salty, sweet, love those two. And the paprika kind of flavor. And that's about it. No heat. Not warm. Just a basic seasoning to me. So the hot Dirty Bird and the Dirty Bird kind of taste pretty close, okay, to each other. The Honey Killer Bee. That's what we're trying next. Honey Killer Bee. Let's give it a try. Honey Killer Bee is also killer. These guys, amazing. They must have a big baseball bat because they're hitting home runs. There's more sweetness on the Honey Killer Bee than there was on the hot Dirty Bird sweetness that I tasted. Really good. That's really good. Now we're going to do the Chipotle version of the Honey Killer Bee. It's called Honey Chipotle Killer Bee. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's this one right here. Yeah. Okay, I just want to make sure I'm grabbing the right one. It's lined up with that bottle right there. Guys, I have to tell you, the Honey Chipotle Killer Bee is my all-time favorite out of all of them so far. What do you want, girl? Hang on, I got some chicken for you. Hang on. Yeah, the Honey Chipotle Killer Bee, the hotter one. You can taste it right away. You can taste the flavoring right away. Man, that's my all-time favorite. Ironically, it's weird. So far, that's my favorite. Now we're going with beer can chicken. How can you go wrong with that, right? Beer can chicken. Here we go. Let's give it a try. It's a little hearty, a little more on the rustic flavors, if you know what I mean. The outdoorsy taste to it. Hang on, girl. I got you. I promise. Hang on. Anyway, yeah. It's not one of my favorites, beer can chicken, but I could see it on the chicken. I can see what you're talking about. Favorite right now is Honey Chipotle Killer Bee on to round 3. You guys ready? So far, that's the winner. Let me put that off to the side. That's the winner so far of everything. Beef, chicken, anything I've tasted, that one to me is my favorite. Just me personally. You may like something like the garlic jalapeno. I don't know. Anyway, let's clear it up and get ready for round 3. Okay, guys, here's the end here. We're going to be doing the sauces next. We're going to try them out. It's already cooked on chicken. I'm pretty impressed we squeezed it all into one video. I thought we were going to do 2 videos, but I guess not. We just went gangbusters. So we got it all in one video. That's cool. All right, so let's give this a try. We're going to try the garlic parmesan first. Okay. Give that one a try. But I've had garlic parmesan for years. So it's nothing Like, you can buy it at the store, get a Buffalo Wild Wings, you can get it anywhere. But it's good. Good job, guys. All right, spicy garlic. Now, it's interesting. I haven't hit anything like insanely hot yet, but I got a habanero coming up, okay? Spicy garlic, here we go. Got a little warm on my lips. Not in my mouth, though, but it's good combination. Little tingle on my lips from the heat, whatever spice they're using. A little bit on the tongue now. The garlic's really good in that. Wow. Spicy garlic, so far, out of the sauces. All right, here we go. This is General Tso's, like General Tso's chicken, okay? This is General Tso's sauce. That's good, but I can taste it has a lot of sugar in it. I think it has like 10 grams of sugar per serving. So be careful with that. Use it sparingly, use it very thin, but it's really good. It's as good as the spicy garlic and the garlic parmesan. Here we go. If anyone's gonna be hot, it's gonna be this one. Honey habanero. Let's give it a try. Oh. Yeah. Excuse me. Finally, some heat. Everything says it's spicy, but that one, that honey habanero, chokes you up. It's good. It's tolerable. It's got a great heat. My lips are burning a little bit. Yeah. I'm liking that one. That's probably their spiciest one yet, out of everything. All right. Let me clear my palate real quick. Because I got more spicy coming up. Want to make sure I can distinguish between the habanero and the buffalo sauce. All right. Classic buffalo sauce right here. Everyday buffalo wings. That's just your everyday run-of-the-mill buffalo sauce. My mouth's still a little warm from the habaneros, but that's a good buffalo sauce. That's good. Can't go wrong. So if you're ordering a bunch of these, you might want to grab one of those too. Now, the buffalo hot. You ready? This is the last one. Last chance to burn my guts out. Here we go. A little bit of heat. Not a lot. But I got to tell you, the honey habanero, if you want hot out of their line, that's the one to go with. I can still feel it for that one. But the buffalo hot, it's good. The buffalo sauce, it's good. They're all good. I think I got to go with my favorite, spicy garlic. My favorite of the sauce is the spicy garlic. My favorite out of everything, where is it? My favorite out of the chicken is the honey chipotle killer bee. Spicy garlic, honey chipotle killer bee. And for beef is the prime steak. That was my favorite. Looked like the one that looked like ash. It's kind of gray looking. Looks like something burned down or something. This really tastes like fine dining steakhouse. Amazing. Kosmos Q. I think I found my new favorite. So I'm going to be hopefully using a lot of these on the set. I like Kinders. I probably like Kosmos Q a little bit more. All right, I'm going to stop the burn in my mouth. I will see you on the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.